You come on there. This month I'm not paying you. Out.
For salary or buy busini.
Mama. Me dream on you am entias here. Papa, why can't you leave me alone?
Oh my that yes here.
We are not doing.
Who you when you just say ni? Ni eka. Na besi. You don't think far. You think madness. Me catch you ne.
What's the
Who go super from so bana one? What bana number one?
Na say we need grace akwako duro no. Na de mu ye why? Huh?
When you want to kwa. Ya kan this is so. E man no travis amana. I can come meet me nche. Who never continue. Why we school me over say never say to us wo. Ya wala ma. Ya wala ma.
Ade na mu ye na owu asem e kan because oba me pena mo force na mama.
Who wa ye be sie o.
Owu so mo frɛ ba.
Ana me say who wa ye be sie o.
O su na asa wa ye bubu na.
Papa na so wa che o. Wo fa no anu wa wo ti we.
Yes ye no.
Ko wo me ye sie no. Me didi. Me da me sorry didi. Nti wo wa me da.
Umpe da bo we ma pese na adie. We ni ban ka ba dwina. Asika o dwisa funda ka bia 6 feet. Obi was 6 feet. Wo na be 7 feet. Wo wa die bu 1 feet firi so. Ye bubu na me ka wo sem. E fura pache. Wo ma bi da.
Adwene first adwene bi ni wutim.
Think far.
Maybe I'm a sorry.
What do he? What you doing? It's we furniture me no papa. What do he?
Can you show me?
What do he? What does why you grind?
Who round the bay?
I dream the annuity.
Who round the bay? Who round the bay? Musama me. Minam to Rama, suffer for them. What in your nkansah?
Nkansah, we nkansah ba kokra. Enu anu bado te ho no. We nkansah woni na ade awo ba no.
Ache na waji me na de.
Binyime. Na leti wo be ni makra ya de anya ye guso de ne kan wasam no. Wo be ka che se wutumi fa ma wo nwuram. Enti de ai. Wa fa ma wo nwuram ti wonim nkansah ga ba fa ma wo nwuram. A wuti wo be ni ka we di kire no. Ya sua nkansah. De pani papa bi eni wo be sha so nkansah abre. De di a wadu. Ya sua nkansah.
Papa ntini kra.
Hey! Minga de Maba, wana taye. Maba.
So what do we know so?
Papa, dear me, that's a more person who hijack me destiny. I'm telling the truth.
Hey, yeah, the truth. Good dear, bro.
Papa, seriously speaking, the days of marrying for people is over.
The days of marrying
Say no, you will new era mukra this be
new era.
I'm telling you.
New era.
Me say era.
Yeah. Wa marry mu. You will come me new era bia. Era bay. I want to baba ye bre nya. We say new era. We be ye bre. Ella kwadu me haba. I want to hear.
Me say ella me say era.
Ah.
Yeah, era.
Fena watch him.